Second day of revision for chapter mensuration, exercise 20, question number 5, page number 302. Question is a inverted cone is, its height is given 8 cm, a radius of the base is given 5 cm. Some lead sorts when inserted inside it, so water came out from here and volume of water was equal to 1. Volume of water coming out was equal to 1/4 the volume of cone. So we'll consider let the number of lead sorts be n. Number of lead sorts be n. So we can say that volume of n lead sorts is equal to 1/4 into volume of cone, because 1/4 of water has come out. N lead sorts. So volume of n lead sorts are spherical in shape. So their volume formula is 4/3 pi capital R, small r you keep. This one 1/4 and volume of cone is 1/3 pi small r square. Its radius will consider as capital R square and h. What will happen? This 3 will cancel this 3, this pi will cancel this pi. N into 4 into r cube will be equal to 1/4 into r square into h. Write n, write 4. Radius of this sphere is given 0.5 meter. So if radius is 0.5 meter, so that is equal to 1/2 meter. So it is 1/2 into 1/2 into 1/2. That is equal to, the radius of this one is given 5 into 5 and height is given 8. This 2 into 2 will cancel this 4. This 4 will cancel 2 times. Since we have to find out the value of n, so n will be 5 into, visible है कि नहीं देखो, 5 into 5 into 2 and this 2 will go up. So number of lead sort will come out 25 into 4, that is equal to 100 lead sorts, and you will get answer. Next question is for exercise 20F. 20F, question number 11, page number 360. It is talking about a horizontal cross section of water tank. It is horizontal cross section of water tank. One part is rectangle, another part is semicircle. Length of rectangle is 21, breadth is given 7 meter. This 7 meter will also behave as diameter of this semicircle. And it is written, water is 2.4 meter deep. In a tank, depth is 2.4 meter. And we have to find out volume of water inside it. So we will find out the cross section area. Area of cross section. So it will be area of part 1 plus area of part 2. That is equal to area of 1 plus area of 2. So area 1 is area of rectangle, length into breadth. So length is 21, breadth is 7. And since this is semicircle, so its area is half pi r square. Pi is 22/7. Radius is 7/2 into 7/2. So what will happen? It is 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 147. This 7 is cancelling this one. This 2 will cancel 11 times. So it will come out as 77/4. This much. 74. This much. If you are calculating it, so it is 4 7 ja 28 in hand 2, 4 4 ja 16, 2 18, 4 1 ja 4 1 5, 588 plus 77. That is equal to how much? 7 8 15, 8 7 15, 1 16, 5 1 6, 665/4 meter square. Since you have to find out volume of water, so volume of tank visible है. Volume of tank is equal to area of cross section into height of tank. Area of cross section we have calculated as 665/4 and height of the tank is given 2.4. So it will come out as 665 into 4 will cancel 0.6 times. After calculation, how much is value coming? That is the volume of water in the tank. So this question is from exercise 20G, question number 7, page number 316. And a pole is, iron pole is and its lower portion is cylindrical, upper portion is conical. Cylindrical portion height is given 110 centimeter and diameter is 12 centimeter, and cone height is given 9 centimeter. Information provided is density of this solid is 8 gram per centimeter cube approximate, and pi value pi. So density of solid of this iron pillar is given as 8 gram per centimeter cube approximately, and pi value we have to take as 355 by 113. And as you know that if you have to find out the mass, applied formula is mass is equal to volume into density. So we'll try to find out the volume of this solid. So volume of this solid will be volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. So at first we are finding volume of cylinder, and then we'll add volume of cone. So volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. So it will be pi, and its radius will be 12 by 2. So 12 by 2 is 6 whole square, and height is given 110 plus 1 by 3. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi. 1 by 3 pi, and its radius is again same 6 whole square, and height is given 9 centimeter. So what we'll do, we'll take pi as common. So and 6 square also will take as common. 6 square is here, 6 square is here. So pi into 36 will take as common. So what will be left? 110 plus 1 by 3 into 9. So 3 3 is a 9. Pi value is set to take 113. So pi into 36 into 110 plus 3 is 113. Later on we'll put pi value as 355 by 113 into 36 into 113. So this will be cancelled. So volume of solid will come out as 355 into how much? 36 centimeter cube. Since you have to find out mass, so after that you will find out mass is equal to how much? 355 into 36 into density is given 8. This will come out in you after calculation will come in gram. If value is coming more than 1000 kg, then you will come more than 1000 gram, you will divide by 1000 to get mass in kilogram, and you will get the answer. That is your part to do.